CO2CirculAir's SmartDAC. Most carbon capture techniques focus on removing emissions at source to prevent the harmful gases reaching the atmosphere. These techniques work well for heavy industry like iron and steel, but these industries only account for 30% of total emissions. The other 70% comes from distributed sources like cars, aviation, shipping and agriculture, where it is impossible to capture carbon at source. Using membrane gas absorption and electrolysis regeneration, the SmartDAC system separates the CO2 from the air, creating a continuous absorption regeneration cycle. The CO2 captured can be reused as a carbon source for sustainable chemicals and synthetic fuels to replace fossil fuels and create a short carbon cycle, or stored to remove CO2 from the atmosphere permanently. Using wind circulation to push air through the system and being powered using green energy, SmartDAC is a zero-emissions solution for CO2 capture. With an estimated 10 gigatons of CO2 removal per year required by 2050, potentially doubling to 20 gigatons by the end of the century, direct air capture technologies will play a key role in delivering net zero objectives through mitigating CO2 emissions. The scalability and sustainability of the SmartDAC system makes it an affordable solution to small, medium and large-scale capture of CO2.